Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the euro drop 0.3% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro drop 0.3% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.9% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Stocks edged lower in afternoon trading on Wall Street, ahead of the latest round of corporate earnings reports and a busy week of inflation updates. The S&P 500 fell 0.6%. After the conclusion of the Ethereum upgrade, the value of numerous sought-after GPUs has dropped quite drastically. For example, reports indicate that the value of Nvidia's highly popular RTX 3080 has dropped from $1,100 to approximately $700 over the last 3-month stretch. Tesla delivered 83,135 China-made electric vehicles in September, smashing its monthly record, according to a report released on Sunday by the China Passenger Car Association. The number marks an 8% increase from August.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Italy's industrial output will be released at 0800 hours GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers Survey Outlook at 0500 hours GMT. The US Redbook Index will be released at 1255 GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's claimant count change at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.